Let's go, let's go.
Yo!
Yo! What's wrong with this guy?
Oh, it's coming out! We did something.
Let's go.
Are we gonna have time to put it back in tonight?
No! Welcome to today's YouTube video. Today we're gonna be fixing the what? What's it called, bro?
Steering rack and pinion.
Steering rack and pinging. Steering rack and ping. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a shorter video. I wanted to keep you guys updated on what we do to both of our project cars. By the way, there's the E34 over there. Yeah, like he said, we don't know what we're doing. But anyway, we have the car lifted up here, and then there's jack stands just so it's lifted up a little more. But yeah, let's get right into it. All right, bro, tell us what we gotta do.
All right, so first we're gonna take off these two screws.
All right.
And then somewhere by here, there's gonna be two lines that feed the power steering fluid.
There's one line right there, I think.
I don't know where they are. But basically there's two different lines, we gotta take that off.
Okay.
And then we have to loosen this bolt, this right here.
Uh-huh.
And basically just take it out. It's that simple. Seems simple.
It's that simple.
It'll take us 8 hours.
Yes.
All right, let's do it. This way. Ooh.
Ew, yo, the boot is leaking as we speak. All right, guys, so I wanted to come down here and tell you the reason that we're doing this because this boot is leaking all his power steering fluid. All right, here we are in part 34, trying to break this nut right here. Show me your wrench.
Just went balls deep in there.
Hey, yo.
Alright, so we just removed the two bolts that hold the actual rack and pinion in there. So now we just have to remove the two lines
That send the power steering.
the fluid.
All right, so I couldn't record because I was under there, but we broke off the two bolts for the lines, which are in there. You can't really see them. So now we're taking off whatever that is. Tie rods. We're taking off the tie rods.
So this is the inner tie rod, outer tie rod. Separate them.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We gotta do that one, and then this one when it's time. And then we're gonna put on the new one. All right, y'all, so I don't know how we ended up with the tires out, but some old guy came by and said that it's easier we take out the full tie rod, which is what Mans is doing now. And so you know what that looks like. See, comes out of here, tie rod's out, and then we take out the whole thing and take it off ourselves. Hold up, we gotta lift up the jack for my boy right here. More? So yeah, now we're taking out, like how I said, the whole tie rod. Literally had to change up the whole lifting system. Bro, we really just got taught, bro. But honestly, the best thing that could have happened to us.
Hey, you gotta learn one way, man.
Yeah, man came out, he's like, this is the old school way. Get a hammer and a ratchet. We're like, all right. Hit it hard. Hey, yo. Shay!
All right, guys. So basically, what's happening is I suck at mechanics. What are you laughing at, bro? I'm not sure what this is called, but on the YouTube video, it said to remove it.
Basically, what Matthew's doing right now is taking the rack and pinion straight out of the steering column.
I think.
We are.
We think. I have time for you to record.
All right.
Already.
All right, guys. So now we have the steering column bolt out, and it's ready to come out. But I think he's scared. It's gonna slap him in the face.
I'm scared.
He said, "Bro, this is so unencouraging."
Oh, it's coming out!
All right.
All right, guys, we did something.
Let's
Are we gonna
go.
have time to put it back in tonight?
No. All right. So the original rack and ping from his car is finally out. Good. Shotgun. Shotgun. Shotgun.
You can't shotgun it if you open it.
Bro, how excited are you, honestly?
I'm pretty excited, man.
So now we're taking a little break due to the fact that our brain can only take so much disappointment and anger. But yeah,
but we don't have much daylight left, so we gotta get a move on it.
true. So just taking a little break, and then we're gonna put it back on, and yeah, we're done. So let's get right to it. All right, so this is the old one right here. Matthew's putting on the lines for the power steering onto the new one, and yeah, we should be ready to just slip it right on. Oh no, never mind. We still have to take off the tie rods here.
And this one, right?
Yeah, both of them, and then should be able to slip it on.
All right, guys, so we're doing the finishing touches.
Where's the sun, y'all?
This is alignment if you guys have ever seen it. I know that tire's not straight.
You ready?
Yep. Last turn.
That's it, bro.
That's it. All right.
So now we're gonna set the car on fire.
All right, guys, so we forgot to tighten the power steering fluid clamp, so we're gonna have to do that now so that our steering fluid doesn't end up on the floor.
Like that.
But yo, that's the last thing we have to do.
So yeah.
We gotta put the tires back on.
Yeah. So yeah, now we gotta put the little hose to the reservoir back on, but we have the tie rods on. We have everything on. Just look at that alignment, fellas.
Yo, honestly, this one's kind of turning left too.
Yeah, it is. But yeah, so he's gonna put the reservoir back on. We're gonna put the tires on, and we're gonna take it on a test drive. All right, we're gonna see if the power steering works. Okay, we just bleed it out. Let's go.
I'm nervous, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. Yo, it's actually soft. Yo, how do you feel, bro? Honestly.
I'm really happy.
All right, yo. So we're taking on a test drive. Bro, the steering, how does it feel? How does it feel? Oh boy, last time we test drove, yo. Oh man. I know it's really dark, but this is how long it took us. This is like as real as it gets, right? No, not in front of your mom, bro. Oh my god. First gear, first gear. Yo, what's wrong with this guy? Right. Oh, hold on. We're on the back road, right? Oh man. Oh man. Yo. What the? Yo. What is it? Oh my god. It actually
Guys,
works, yo.
Hit us up for alignment purposes.
Yeah, we
charge
do.
very cheap and by the hour.
Oh. Oh my god, into first? Yo, nah, this man is a menace. Bro, this. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. Look at this, it's freaking nighttime already. Dude, we're working on the car literally all day, but we got it fixed, and that's really all that matters. Literally hard work paid off. We literally got it fixed, like you guys saw in the test drive. It was turning easy, no problem. So yeah, so with that being said, if you guys like to see me working on the cars, let me know. That's my plan, to post like what we do to our cars, because his car and my car are going to be an important thing to this channel, as they're both of our builds. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos, and let me know if I should do some more like how-tos. I don't really do how-tos because I'm learning as I do it. Anyway guys, that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys didn't see the last video, that's Cars and Coffee in Miami, which was a crazy turnout. I'm gonna link that down below. You guys should go ahead and watch that. But anyway, that's the end of today's video. See you guys next time.